Good day, great students. Today we're working on Excel 2019 in practice, chapter 5, guided project 5-3. We're going to go ahead and click on our start file, download our file. Once it downloads, we're going to start opening it up. Gonna make it a little bit larger so we can see the screen. Click on enable editing. All right. Step 2 says group the worksheets. It says click the January worksheet tab. So we're going to click the January worksheet tab. Press shift on the keyboard. And then I'm going to click the word March. And you'll see that all 3 tabs are now highlighted. We're going to format the grouped worksheets. So select cell A5 through F12. A5 through F12. Click the arrow with the borders button. It's on the home tab in the font group. And we're going to select more borders. Click the color arrow and choose black. Click the thin solid line style. Click the vertical middle of the preview box. If you place a border in the wrong place, wrong location, click the line in the preview to remove it. So this is the vertical middle. Click the second line style in the first column. Click the horizontal middle to preview in the preview box. Click the bottom line style in the second column. Click the bottom of the preview area to place a bottom horizontal border. So I can either click here, or I can click here. So if I click here, it gives me the bottom border here. And then we're going to click OK. Enter sum in grouped worksheets. So select cells F6 through F11. Click the auto sum button. It's on the home tab in the editing group. I'm going to use sum. Use sum in cells B12 through F12. It's going to do the same thing here again. And click on sum one more time. We're going to click cell A1. Right-click the February sheet tab and choose Ungroup Sheets. Go to the bottom, right-click February, and click Ungroup Sheets. Step 5 says copy a picture. Click to select the organization logo on the February sheet. Press Control-C on your keyboard, hit the Control button, and then press the C button. To copy the picture, click the January sheet tab. Press Control-V on your keyboard, hit the Control button, and then press the V. Point to the picture frame to display a move pointer. This is what your move pointer looks like. Drag the picture to fine-tune its location so that it appears in column A to the left of Hamilton Civic Center. Nudge the image with any keyboard directional arrow and adjust the width of column A if necessary. Okay. Click cell B1. Copy the March sheet to the end and name it quarter 1. So I'm going to go and right click on March. I'm going to select move or copy. I'm going to select create a copy and select move to end. Click OK. I'm going to rename the sheet. So I'm going to right click on March 2, select rename, and I'm going to change the name to quarter 1. Press enter. Set the tab color to black text 1. So I'm going to right click And where it says tab color, I'm going to select black, text 1. Edit cell A3 to read first quarter enrollment. Once you have that done, click off so you can see, make sure that it's correct. Step 9 says create a static data consolidation by category. Delete the contents in cell A6 through E11, A6 through E11. The labels in column A are not in the same order on the quarterly sheets. Click the Consolidate button, the Data tab, Data Tools group. This is the Consolidate button. Choose Sum function. Select and delete references in the All References. So there's nothing in here, so we don't have to delete anything. Click the Reference box and click the January tab. Select cells A6 through E11. And click Add in the Consolidate dialog box. Click the February tab. Verify that cells A6 through E11 are selected and select Add. Add the March worksheet data. So we're going to click on March. Make sure that A6 through E11 are selected. Click Add. Select the left column box and use labels in group. And then click OK. Sort consolidated data. So 10A says select cells A6 through E11 on the quarter 1 sheet. We have that selected. Click the Sort and Filter button. It's on the Home tab in the Editing group. We're going to sort A to Z. And we're going to select cell B1. We're going to save and submit our file. Good job. You got a 9 out of 9. That concludes our tutorial for today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call.